Hello. So this is a Toyota Denso alternator I have laying around. It's off my Tundra pickup. I'd like to use it on my LS swap. It's smaller and I just happen to have it laying around. It's already got the serpentine pulley on it. So trying to figure out how to make it work without the PCM. So I've got the two back pins connected to the positive on the battery, as well as the battery itself connected to the main terminal. I'm going to spin it with this drill, and I notice the voltage goes up to 13 point something. So hopefully it doesn't overcharge, when the engine's at a couple thousand RPM. But anyway, let's check it out. So you can see that it did jump up. That's just the battery voltage. It's kind of a bad battery. But when I spin the drill with all these jumpers connected, it does charge. Almost 14 volts, 13 and a half.